to infinity and beyond. Hey guys, Lightyear Guy 2025 here. And today I am reviewing the Transformers Rescue Bots Energize Chase the Police Bot figure. Now obviously this Rescue Bot Chase toy was a part of the bag of toys that I picked up earlier from my local Value Village. And yeah, as you viewers can tell, this figure is in really good condition. There's no paint marks on it at all, and obviously, it looks like this toy was not even, messed with at all by its previous owner. But you guys may notice that this figure is missing something. And that is that this toy is missing the little Energon tool that it would come with, which in this case would be an Energon claw. So, yeah. But that doesn't really bother me too much. Because, I mean, really, the figure, and the main figure itself, it looks cool. How it's got, clear blue plastic on the spots of the toy that would be gray. So, yeah, now, in terms of what year this toy came out in, obviously this toy came out back in 2013 as a part of the Rescue Bots Energize toy line. And I guess to those of you viewers out there who don't really know what Rescue Bots Energize is, or I guess at this point in time was, yeah. Rescue Bot and Transformers Rescue Bots Energize was basically a toy line that Hasbro had launched after the first year of the Rescue Bots toy line. Only this time, with the Energized Rescue Bots, they support the more animation-accurate color schemes. It's like with Chase here, he went from being the typical black and white police bot to being more of the animation-accurate kind of colors, where he's now blue and white, which is more in line with the cartoon. And I find that to be kind of cool, because, yeah, I mean, yeah, oops. Yeah, I really find that this figure is kind of cool in the animation-accurate colors, but I guess another thing I really like about this toy is that it's technically still the 2012 release of Chase, just now done in blue and well, he's got energized parts for, like, his hands, thighs, and light bar. Now, I guess to go ahead and transform Chase into his police car mode, it's really simple. And just like all rescue bots, this figure teaches the motor skill of pushing. So, to transform Chase, go ahead and just push the light bar down, just like that. And there you have Chase, now in his police car mode. And now here in cop car mode, obviously, I really do enjoy that this toy looks a little bit more like how he was in the modern day Rescue Bots cartoon, where, yes, he still looks like 2012 Chase, but he also looks more like the modern day Chase the Police Bot in terms of him now being blue and white as opposed to the color scheme that he was in year one of the Rescue Bots toy line, which was black and white, the typical police officer colors. But yeah. And I'm sure most of you guys are probably wondering, what's this thing sticking out of the back of the vehicle mode? Well, obviously, this is the top of the robot mode head. So, I'm guessing when this figure would be, or when this character would be driving along the streets of the 2012 version of Griffin Rock, which was a city in the Rescue Bots cartoon. Yeah, I guess this character wouldn't have to feel, like, ashamed of hiding his robot mode completely, since I bet during the event of the 2012 Rescue Bots series, all the citizens of Griffin Rock back then probably knew that the Rescue Bots were there to help save them from, like, certain emergencies. So the Rescue Bots didn't really need to worry about the whole robots in disguise kind of memo, which is kind of neat. And I kind of really would like to see Hasbro revisit that concept, but with the modern day Rescue Bots. I mean, sure, that would probably make the Rescue Bots nowadays look kind of silly, but hey, I mean, this is something for Hasbro to think about, if they ever choose to revive the Rescue Bots Energize line, which they probably won't. But yeah, so I guess now for a comparison here in vehicle mode, here's Chase with my Lego Transformers G1 roller. Now, I guess to go ahead and put Chase back into his robot mode, it's basically the same way as turning him into alt mode. Just go ahead and pull Whoop, hold on. Let me try that again. Just pull on the light bar. And preferably, you want to do it till it softly clicks. But, yeah. There's Chase back in his robot mode. So, I guess, really, that's going to wrap it up for this video, everyone. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this. And, yeah. This has been Lightyear Guy 2025, over and out.